Hi, I'm Katie, and today we're going to show you how to address a sagging door before calling a contractor. You'll need the following items: safety glasses, a drill with a Phillips head bit, a 6-foot level, and number 10 by 2.5-inch wood screws. For your safety, you should always wear approved safety glasses when working on any project. First, open the door and place a 6-foot level flat against the hinge side jamb to verify if the door is sagging. You may also notice the door rubbing on the jamb or the sill. One reason the door may be sagging is if shorter screws were used in the top hinge. Remove the 2 screws in the top hinge that are closest to the weather strip. You can see the difference between the original shorter screw and the longer one. Now, using the power drill or driver, install 2 number 10 by 2.5-inch long wood screws through the jamb into the wood stud. Again, place the 6-foot level flat against the hinge side jamb and check to see if the door has been lifted and is now level. If this does not correct the issue, please contact a professional contractor in your area. We have demonstrated how to correct a sagging door. If you have any further questions, please contact us by email at customersupport@therma-tru.com, by phone at 800-843-7628, on the web at www.thermatru.com, or send us a tweet at Therma-Tru Cares.